part 20 minutes, kaya ito.
Open.
Ano yan? Uy, ang dami niyong pera. Pingi.
Hindi. Open. Wait lang nga
Pingi.
Oh, open.
Uy, ang galing ng bola mo.
May basketball
Ha?
court at may score.
Ay, ano ba yan? Hindi naman pala natin. Buti na lang pinili natin yung ano.
Open.
Basketball court ka pa.
Ganda ng bola mo ah. Ah. Ano naman yan? Asa na sila, ano? Sila Chris.
Bigat to.
Sila Chris na sana.
Natin yung jowa niya.
Wow, shoot! Go! Boom!
Daming pera.
Ba't walang net?
Sure ka ba nakakasya ko para ano? Makakabili tayo ng...
Bakit nga sa tenga to? Hindi ko ba
Pera to. O na-shoot? Ako
Wow, ang
na-shoot?
galing.
Ay, ano pa yan?
Wow, ang galing. Magkano yan? Ha?
3,000.
Ha?
3,000.
Ay, sus, itapon mo na yan. Ay, galing oh. Ah, hindi marunong. Wala, hindi ka marunong.
Oh, dagay na.
Ah, wala. Wala.
Dami po. Wow, dami mong pera.
May pera ba yan?
Dami oh.
Totoo ba yan?
Daming pera, oh.
Mami, open! Open!
Dami oh. Pag nakatalikod mo, ang pera pa lang to.
Kung may pakita yung play money. Charger!
Shoot mo, asa yung bola? Asa yung bola ni Mason?
Open mo, mamita!
Yung bola ni Mason.
Open mo! Ayan, si Chris tumawag. Tawagan niyo sila.
Ayun nga, si Lucky.
Cause tomorrow might be good for something. Hold on. I don't know why, but I'm not crazy. I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can tell, but still you are. You see, the deep inside of me, I'm not crazy. I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you don't feel, but soon enough you're gonna think of me. How I used to be, talking to myself, probably.
Lasing ka na.
Catching glances on the tree. And I know they all been talking about me. I can even whisper and makes me say, must be something holding me out of all.
Saan na yung bola niya, no? Mason.
Somehow I lost my mind. But I'm not crazy, I just well, I know right now you can tell, but it's been a while. A different side of me, I'm not crazy, I'm just a fair. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me, how I used to be. I got talking in my sleep. Pretty soon they got to get free. Yeah.
nun, oh. Sa pulutan, oh. Puro pulutan lang ang tinitira, eh. Ayaw uminom, eh.
Now you can do it, but stay a while, maybe then you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just sitting there. I know right now you don't care, but
Lucky, tawagan nyo.
you got to come me. Now I used to be.
Nga, ulit nga.
Tama na, ulit daw. Oh!
Oh, ang galing, oh.
Kandila po yun. Nilalangaw eh. Ano? Makakain kayo. Suka, dapat patakan mo ng suka yan. Patakan mo. Patakan mo.
Ano yan, napamaskuhan nyo yan? Wow, ang galing naman. Ang galing naman. Ay, ang galing, oh. Parang nilagay lang, eh.